Hello guys, so let's try to make a new prediction for next week, and it's gonna be very difficult for me because I'm confused. I'm so confused with the market and what happened on last Friday. And the reason is that basically all the indicator, all the algos I'm using just given me the opposite direction, so I cannot have a clear direction of what's gonna happen. And for this reason only, I'm gonna take it very slowly next week. I will not trade each trade I see, and I will examine it very carefully. So be careful, guys. So what we can see at the moment we see that the SPY is still on the daily is an uptrend. I clear all those lots of line. You will see it later, so you can see it more clearly what the market did. But on Friday, it just made a big push to the downside, big rejection. So we can see that there is always a lower low, higher lows, which means that the trend is down. And as you can see here, also lower lows, which means that the trend is still down. So this is just for this, I'm biased to the downside, and usually I'm looking only for correction when the market is going to the downside, but this time, don't know. But again, see what happened on the indicator. Although it's not the main indicator I'm using, this is a long continuation, which means that the price section moved too much to the bottom and supposed to end here. So we might see a long continuation. The long continuation can result in something like this. And sorry, let me clear it with something like this. And this will be going up and push down again. So we see a reversal. This is a strong continuation. This is a long continuation, reversal, and then we will see a boom to the upside. But at the moment, it's not so clear. Again, see, I put Fibonacci levels that the top is the 474, almost 475. This was my target here, something around this area, and see how it corresponds and align perfectly with my levels. The 38% is the 444, and the 50 is 450, and the 6180 the 456. So for me it's 450, almost 55, and the 76 is the 463, and for me it's 462.70. So basically almost the same, which means that those lines are very strong support and resistance because it corresponds with the Fibonacci, which means that all the algos probably trading between those. And again, the 450 is a round number to bounce, and this is the 50%, which means we are still in an uptrend. If we see a break and close below, we might see a fall to the 444, which means we might see another attempt for the 435. And you remember that the 435.80 is a key level for a breakdown. And this is the daily. You usually don't see me talking about the daily, and the reason why I'm talking about the daily, because if we talk about the 4-hour chart, see how it can be so confused. This is a reversal divergence, but from there is no, this is also reversal, and there is no reversal. This is a small reversal. Where is the big reversal? To the 466, 65 again, and from here This is a long continuation, but see how far, it's almost 1 month ago. This is a lower low, this is higher low. So what the heck is happening here? And this is the 4-hour chart. Let me make it smaller so we see it more clearly. It's not like it was here. You could see a nice, this is the reversal, and then you see the reversal coming and then move again up. What you see here, we see it on the oversold. We see it try going up, fail, trying to going up, fail, trying maybe on the third attempt. I don't know. It's not like it was coming back down and up again nicely. Like coming down, up nicely, coming down, up nicely, and then going up. So maybe just the beginning of a downtrend. I really don't know. My algo, as you can see, it's in a big downtrend, and tell me that the key area is the 436, something like this. So probably here again, there is, and I really don't want to see it. This is the main reason why I'm confused, because my algos tell me look for short now. Don't look for long, look for short. And the level of buying is the 437.60, something around here, to bring the buyers back in the house, which means we are still will be valid, because let's say the price action goes to here, there still can be a long continuation, because this will go probably much lower and then can give you indication of long bias. So this just the reason, if it made, as you see here, a long continuation from, see, it doesn't mean that we immediately going for long. Even it caught all the people here and by surprise. So the markets want to sell. And what I can think of, that the market want to sell before the end of the year, to make some profit, to lock some profit, and then try to rebuild position again at the end of December. So maybe we will not finish to see the downtrend, and we might see a push to the downside again. I don't know. A little bit hope about this reversal. Let's see. So this is it with the SPY. So be careful, guys. And again, even let's assume that the SPY will do something like this. Okay, what will happen? Probably it will go along with the price, and as long as it will push higher, it immediately will make a short continuation, because it will be very hard for it to break the 462, not to talk about the 466. So it will do a short continuation, which means that it will fall again. Will it break? I don't know, but it probably will do something like this and then give you the long continuation we are all looking for. So, which means that next week will be rangy, the range 450, 466. So trade it as a day trader, not as a swing trader. So this is with the SPY. Probably the same goes for the QQQs. I'm basically doing it live with you guys. I didn't prepare myself. I talk what I see. And again, small divergence here. But in the longer term, again, as you can see it, is it finish to the downside? This red candle, this caught me by surprise. With the QQQs and the SPY, this caught me by surprise. If it holds this line and didn't break below, was good. But it broke, which means there is potential now to do something like this. Basically, you know what? Like this. This break the 200 here, it's breaking here, It could go higher, find the resistance probably at the 390, and then boom, going down to the 373. Let me check my algo. Let's hope it will upload fast. Okay, the potential again, same as the SPY. Downside 361, 362. Wow. The downside is here. Sample is here, so it means will fall back here. In order to do so, there is some key level at 380 buyers, but at the moment, probably can do so. It will go higher, moving down. It won't fall again and sharply like those candles. Those are big candle of selling off. And you see the buyers came in. This is a sell-off. The buyers came in buying from the 380, but see how the pressure is still high. See the volume here, see the volume here. It's almost the same volume. What happened here and what happened here. So still selling pressure, and we are in oversold area and didn't get out of it. So we probably see the volume coming up in a downtrend. It's not good, guys. I don't know. It's not good. So for the QQQs, probably a reversal and going down. On the longer term, I will look for short position. So be careful, guys. Let's talk about Tesla. You see all those lines. It's the race. With Tesla, again, it break the trend. Now it's on the 10. And for my algo, it again, I don't want to believe it, but it tell me that it could reach to the 800. Oh my God. The next big level is the 800. Will it do so? I hope not. Do we have some sort of divergence? Yes, this is a long continuation, but this is a big push to the downside. So just a spike to the down below this one will break this divergence. We need a green candle. So wait with Tesla. This is the 4-hour chart. If we check the hourly chart, see erase, we see some sort of reversal coming. This is going up. This is coming down. But see, it probably need to do. And if it comes higher, make a short continuation. If it goes there, it will make a short continuation, which means the stock will fall down. So careful, guys, really careful. So basically all the stocks is doing the same move. MRNA is very tricky. It hit the target, see it's the red line 361 and fell off again to the 300. There is no clear indication what the stock will do. It's probably now rangy, and it will found again attempt to break higher or break lower. Remember there is a big gap which needs to be filled between this. This is the gap, so 280 area. And stock likes to fill the gaps 90% of the time. They fill the gaps. At the moment, it's in a big range between the 250 to the 360. I know it's a big range, and there is a potential to come to the 250 if it close and continue below the 290, can push lower. At the moment, there is a nice buyers coming in the 304. Let's hope they can hold the 304 area. If they hold it, they can push the stock higher. So it's a small area which need not to breach. If it close below, falling down. Let's hope it hold and open with a gap up here to the push again to the 360 again. This is for MRNA. And BA. Okay, let's erase, let's check. BA on the longer term, it made some small reversal here, but we are in a downtrend, and we can see what happened. There is gap here, and there is a nice gap here, which needs to be filled. So if we close above the 205, boom, to close the gap. If we close below the 195, 94, it will go again to the 190. So wait with BA. Oh my God. You scared me. And at the moment it's on a range base. Above the 199, probably push higher, about $2, maybe $3. Below to the 196, probably fall to the 193. So it's a bit rangy. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Let the big whales to decide whether they want the stock to go to the 150 again, because my prediction was if they close below the 208, 205 and break and it broke, it can fall to the 150 in the longer term. So careful with BA. And what else? You know what? I never talked about gold. Let's see the ETF. Yes, this is it. Yeah, buy the gold trust. Basically, what we see with the gold, clear short continuation. And if the gold will go down, it means the markets probably still, the money will flow to the market, which is nice. And we see here the reversal with a short continuation. So the buyers came in. So let's hope the short continuation. And if we go to the daily, close it, see how it reacts. Ugly. So can come again back to this area and bring the buyers. It made the break, which is good. It made a break, and it falls down. It on the longer time frame there is a long continuation, but as you see on the hourly, it wants to fall down. So probably bring back small buyers, and let's hope it will do some moving to the upside, something like this. And this will fall coming up and fall down, do something like this, and then the reversal will be strong. So give them the opportunity to buy cheaper and to push the gold higher. If the gold will push higher, the stock will fall. Just basics. The silver probably the same, nothing new with silver. Oh, yeah, the same. You see. Long continuation. And if we go to the 1 hourly chart, you'll see something like short continuation. So probably here, it doesn't mean it want to break. Just bring very sharp close below it. Sorry, close here. Do something like this, and or reversal. It depends. It could be a reversal and then or long continuation and then push higher. But we are in a big downtrend, so this keeps me optimistic about the market, that the market will try to push higher. But it makes no sense that all the market area fell off. The Bitcoin, the crypto coin, all the crypto, all the gold, the silver pushed to the downside, even though they made some push higher but in the longer time frame, all in all, the market going down, the S&P, the QQQs, everything, which is weird. So where the money goes. So let's hope so, that it's only profit taking, and from that point they will push the market higher, like they always like to do at the end of December. So guys, thank you. I know this prediction wasn't helpful, but maybe if you trade the stock as a day trader like me, you probably find more opportunities in the longer time frame. Be careful this week. This week, pretty, for me, it's tricky. So good luck and see you later.